How do I permanently turn off my ADT alarm system?
Welcome to today's video, where we will discuss how to permanently turn off your ADT alarm system. Whether you're moving to a new home, switching to a different security provider, or simply no longer require the alarm system, we'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started.
Is it the right decision?
Before proceeding with turning off your ADT alarm system permanently, it's crucial to consider a few factors. Ask yourself the following questions. 1. Have you explored all other options? Is there a particular issue with the system that could be resolved without completely shutting it down? 2. Are you aware of the potential consequences? Turning off the alarm system means you will lose the protection it provides. Make sure you are comfortable with this decision. Once you've carefully considered these questions and determined that permanently turning off your ADT alarm system is the right choice, continue to the next section.
Contacting ADT.
To ensure a smooth process and understand any potential contractual obligations, contact ADT directly. Reach out to their customer service or support team via phone or email. Provide them with the necessary information, such as your account details and the reason for your decision to permanently turn off the alarm system. It's essential to follow ADT's specific procedures and guidelines, as they may vary depending on your location, contract terms, and the equipment installed in your home.
Disconnecting power.
Before physically disconnecting any components of your ADT alarm system, ensure you have obtained permission from ADT and received instructions specific to your system. Once you have the necessary information, follow these steps. 1. Locate the main control panel of your alarm system. It is usually installed in a central location, such as a utility room or closet. 2. Turn off the power supply to the alarm system by unplugging it from the electrical outlet or shutting off the corresponding circuit breaker in your electrical panel. This step is essential to prevent any accidental alarms or electrical issues during the disconnection process. 3. Disconnect the backup battery that powers the alarm system in case of a power outage. The battery is typically located inside the control panel and can be detached by unplugging it or releasing it from its housing, depending on the model.
Removing sensors and devices.
After disconnecting the power, you can proceed to remove the sensors and devices connected to your ADT alarm system. Again, it's crucial to follow any instructions provided by ADT specific to your system. Here's a general guideline. 1. Locate each sensor and device that is part of your ADT alarm system. Common examples include door, window sensors, motion detectors, and security cameras. 2. Remove each sensor or device from its mounted position following the manufacturer's instructions. This may involve unscrewing or detaching the device from its mount or base. 3. Once you have removed all the sensors and devices, store them in a safe place. Keep in mind that if you decide to reactivate your ADT alarm system in the future or transfer it to a new owner, you will need these components.
Informing emergency contacts.
Lastly, don't forget to inform any emergency contacts associated with your ADT alarm system about your decision to permanently turn it off. These contacts might include friends, family members, or neighbors who are notified in case of an alarm activation. Inform them about your decision and provide alternative contact information for emergencies. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to permanently turn off your ADT alarm system. Remember, it's important to carefully consider your